Hello, did you sit for the Neco 2022 SSCE internal examination? Good news don come o, the result don come out. For this video, I go show you how you go check your result and how you go take purchase the token. If you like this video, make you hit the subscribe button because subsequent video wey go dey bring na video wey go help you learn how to take your JAMB and tutorials wey go help you. So e go better make you hit the subscribe button so that you go get this video once we don produce them. Now, this video go help you see how you go take check your 2022 Neco SSCE internal examination result wey don come out. But I don prepare one special video wey I drop for the description section of this video wey go help you learn how to buy token because you need token to check your result. Then after that, you fit continue dey watch this video to see how you go take go Neco website to complete the checking of your result. I wish you make you get the best result o. Happy checking. Make sure say you watch this video on how to check your result to the end, and make you no forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. So watch how to check your result. Now, to check your result, make you go to result.neco.gov.ng, and once you click that one for your browser here, e go bring you come here. Now you see say they don confirm say the result don come out. So the next thing wey you go do na to do wetin? Na to check your result. But before you check your result, I want make you watch the video wey dey the description section of this video wey you dey watch, of this YouTube video wey you dey watch, for the video wey go help you learn how to check your token. Now, that token na wetin go give you access to your result. If you no get the 6-digit number for that Neco token, dem no go allow you check your result. Now, if you don get that 6-digit number, you don watch the video and you don buy the token, make you come here come check your result. Now, if you person wey don enter this website before, you don register for this website before, you no suppose register again. The next thing wey you go do na to put in that email address wey you take register and the password. And after you don do that one, you click wetin? Login. But if you be person wey never enter this website before, wetin you go do na to come here, come click what? Register. Now you go put your full name, you go put your phone number, you go put your email address and then your password. And once you don confirm your password, make you click register. Now Neco go register and open account for you for this website. Now immediately you don register, you go go your email, go activate your email address. Once you don activate your email address, you go come here, come click login. Then put in that email address and that password. Once you put in that email address and that password, make you click login. Now, once you click login, the page go open wey go ask you make you put that 6-digit token number wey dem give you, wey you buy after you don watch that video wey I make you watch. Once you put that 6-digit token number, the next thing they go ask you now, make you put your examination number. Once you don put in your examination number wey you take sit for the examination, they go also ask you make you put the exam type. The exam type na Neco SSCE 2022 exam internal, make you put am. Then you go click check my result button. Once you click check my result, na just green button like this, your result will open. Now, once you open that your result, I go advise you make you print am, because once you print am, that one na the one wey you go take look for any admission wey you dey look for any university. Now, once you print am, you go only allow Neco go only allow you to use that token for just 5 times. So if you dey use that token, make you know how you dey take use am, and you no fit use that token check another person result. Na only one person dey use am. Now that video go tell you how much you go take buy that token. I know say if you watch this video finish, you go fit stay for your house, even use your phone check your result. If you like this video, make you share am with your friend, and make you no forget to hit the subscribe button, because na for only this channel we go bring you everything wey go help you get admission, because after now you go wan sit for your JAMB. We'll give you tutorial wey go help you, and we will help you register for your JAMB examination and make you score good score. Thank you very much to watch this video, and I know say you will continue to dey watch our subsequent video.